Back with the Tucson. Hope you guys are doing very well. You've seen my sequential lights here, the start scan, DRL, sequential amber turn signal, but I had to show you that these lights also turn blue, depending on how you wire it. It's an optional feature. It's the white wire. 2 yellow wires go to your turn signal, red wire for your marker light, the black's ground, and the white goes for the blue lights here. It's the white wire. So they could have done a better job with the harness. I would have paid double the money if they made a proper harness and it would be plug and play. But that's my only complaint, is that it's not plug and play. Other than that, these are really nice lights, guys. They're a perfect fit. $100. Check them out. Alright guys, as soon as I find the easiest way to wire it, I'm going to share it with you. And I may have another video in between now and the installation video. See what happens. I'm pretty much finished the install right now, but I just wanted to make it easy for anybody who wants to get these lights. And in the advertising it says that there's no instructions included and that they recommend professional installations, so I don't want you to be discouraged and think that they're very hard to install. So I'll try to make it easy in the install video, and it could be a couple weeks, but I'm going to get it done for you. Hope that you could join me for that. Take care of your Tucson. Until then, we'll see you soon.